DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, the done back in the lobby now. Yes man people, yes man, so what are you today? We're there with none other than the world boss again. He's on a roll, you know what I'm saying? That man is on a roll. Look like he, man, they have dropped back-to-back bangers because we just listened to SYM on the WYFL rhythm, and apparently he dropped another song, you know what I'm saying, on the Vybz Kartel radio channel, and this one is entitled God Says, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to check it out and see where Vybz Kartel, the teacher, are dealing. Also, before we jump in the track, guys, make sure you like and subscribe button, and also hype up the video, because that what actually helps boost the videos is there, the hype, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like and hype the video. As I say, gang. Yeah, man, so we're there with none other than the Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the teacher himself, with another track, the one named God Says. We're not going to hold the vibe much longer. Come on. Do yourself a favor. Follow the channel. Do yourself a favor. Like and subscribe if you want more bangers. You see me? I say, Vybz Kartel, God Says. Let's get it.
I tell you, I'm telling you something. People will hate you for your confidence.
Facts!
Like how you make them weak.
You hear that? Listen up.
People will hate you for your joy. Like how you make them sad. And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves.
That resonate hard. Bro, people around here, we hate you. Just your confidence. Just your happiness. Then we wish sadness upon you. You see me like how you make them sad. You see me I say, then we carry you down. Like how you make them not confident in them damn self. Real thing. You see me? Yeah, then we hate you for that, bro. You see me and say that's why you have to stay firm in yourself. You see me and say stay firm in yourself. No make nobody bring you down. No make nobody shame you. You see me and say if you happy, be happy. You see me, if you're confident, be confident. You may I tell you, you know, even your friends and family will hate upon you. Even the woman when they're next to you, brother. You see me? I really like that. You see me and say.
I tell you, I'm telling you something.
Listen up.
People will hate you for your confidence. Like how you make them weak. People will hate you for your joy. Like how you make them sad. And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves.
You hear that? People hate you for your confidence. Like how you make them weak. Them we hate you for your happiness. Like how you make them sad. And then we wish sadness upon you instead of happiness upon themselves. Come on, Kartel. Run it, man.
Alright, fight, make a way for yourself. And count every drop of tears where you shed. Everybody young don't want to help you when you're dead.
Yeah.
Casket by, read by, yeah. So them help.
Make a way for yourself. Man, yo, come on, Kartel.
Where you shed. Everybody young don't want to help you when you're dead.
Yes.
Casket by, read by, yeah. So them help. Protect your life.
People wanna help you when you're dead, brother. You see me when cast it by and read for buy. You see me and say.
For no tenure, wild animal, concrete jungle, them desperate. Babylon and politician, pestilent. Demon a go like them and ladies and gentlemen. None them not say.
Demons are gone. Like say them are ladies and gentlemen. You know, you about wolves in sheep clothing? A modern day humanity that. Go on, too.
When them want to get to you, but jailhouse and death. Now them no want to see we sail out panjet. My mother prayer cover me again. Shall watch over me in the valley of the day.
Yes.
New day begin. More life blessing.
Yes.
Stay strong within.
Yes.
Every day new beginning.
You'll never see me fall. Every day is a new beginning. I want to. You never see me give up. Go on, show.
I know where them say. I where God say. I know where them say. I know where them say. I where God say. I know where them say.
I know what them say. I what God say. I know what them say. I'm here, big up Vybz Kartel. You see me, I know which people are talk shit about Kartel because they're turning life around. Because he's not what they wanted him to be. So they feel shame, so they talk all type of things. You see me, I say? Big, go on.
I know where them say.
No, sir.
I will God say, I know where them say. I know where them say. I will God say, I know where them say. Fizzy, you winning. Hypocrite, them come round, peer grinning. Christian, no sinning. Rasta, we trimming. Believing I got something I know.
Man say Christian, no sinning. Rasta, where? Trimming.
Christian, no sinning. Rasta, we trimming. Believing I got something I know, no limit. I'm believing I myself, me I'm gonna know about winning. Sky.
Believing I God, something I know no limit. I'm believing in myself, so me only know is winning. Go on, show. Oh, I'm telling enough people want to break a confidence and show you confidence in yourself because you have less than them, but you're more confident. So then hate you for that. You see me and say, you have less than them, but you're happy on them. So then hate you for that. Because they know, yeah, go on, show.
Believing I got something I know, no limit. I'm believing in myself, me I'm gonna know about winning. Sky me then no land, no boat, no road, no swimming. Yo, every day the road I fi take on. New day begin.
Yes.
More life blessing. Hey. Stay strong within.
Stay strong.
Every day a new beginning.
Every day is a new beginning, gang. You see me and say yesterday could have bad. You can't make something today. Go on, show.
I know where them say.
What's that?
I will God say. I know where them say. I know where them say. I will God say. I know where them say. The decision unanimous.
Yeah.
God said we feel victorious.
Yeah.
Some dead for the all of us, but some of them go on like them don't want shield. And that's why they are afraid of us.
Yes.
But get the youth, stand your ground, don't give up.
Big up for Kartel, big up for Kartel. More they want to try Jack Doggy Dog and more dog rise. I want to them.
Come from the darkness, come the light. Remember said the best come from the worst. New day begin. More life blessings. Stay strong within. Every day a new beginning. I know where them say. I where God say. I know where them say. I know where them say. I where God say. I know where them say.
Yes, man. Stay strong within. New day, new blessing. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Yes, man. Big up Vybz Kartel, bro. You see me and say, people, and I always keep doing you. Stay happy. Stay confident. You see me and say, cause like it I say, bro. Bro, and you know, I come from strangers. Can't be the people them right around you. Can't be your family. You can't be your friends. Woman where you're there with her, the man where you're there, whatever. You see me and say, yeah, them closest people, man, I go envy you for your confidence and your happiness. Like you make them weak or you make them sad. You see me and say, a real talk. A real talk. It's a crazy thing, but a truth. You see me and say, so big up to Vybz Kartel. You see me and say, cause some people, you know, feel like say because they're miserable, you feel miserable too, you know. You see me and say, yeah, man, some people feel say because you miserable, them feel miserable too. Make them a help you in some form of way. Or them feel like them a help you, or feel like them do something for you. Them feel like say, yo, no, man, you see me and say, yeah, them feel like say you feel miserable too. You see me and say, but I know certain work. I know what them say, I know what God say. You see me and say, yes, man. But big up on the damn self, people, I know anything about that in the comment section. You see me and say, if you don't like you, show the artists and all of us stuff, we can say they dancing. We're back on fully active. We don't play the road. We don't play the YouTube street. We don't play the content. Content I drop back. Back to back. You see me and say, going crazy, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let's chop it up, man. Like roller Kartel going. Wait, Kartel's on a crazy run. You know that? He drop 2026 Hype Life. He drop SYM. And he drop God Says. He's going crazy, bro. He's going harder than all these other artists. And the year just started. Jeez, peace. Anyway, gang, let me know what you think in the comment section. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.